Hello students, in this video we'll see an example of how we use the rule for the probability of a union of two sets. Let's suppose that 60%, let's say 50% of people use their phone to check email, and 30% use only their computer, and 10% use both. So 50% of the population will use their phone to check email, 30% will use their computer, and 10% use both their phone and computer to check email. Let's find the probability that you use either your phone or your computer, but not both. So let's set up a configuration here. So we have a sample space. So here's the solution to our problem. Here's our sample space of all people. And here is the portion of people that use their phone. Let's denote that by P for their phone. Here is the set of people that use their computer. And so we know that there's an intersection over here. That's phone and computer. And so we recall from a previous video that the probability of using a phone or using a computer to check your email is the probability of using your phone. So we should probably change the notation a little bit to make that a script P. Plus the probability that you use your computer minus the probability that you use your phone and computer. And so we know all these different quantities are. And so what we're after is the following event. We would like, our objective is to find, so here's the basic formula, but our objective is to find the probability of phone and not computer, or not phone, so we'll write not phone, so we'll write a bar instead of a complement. I'm trying to switch notations. So not phone and computer. And now we can note that these sets are disjoint. So phone and not computer is disjoint from phone, not phone, and computer. So what this probability is, this is the probability of P and not C, which is this region right here, plus the probability of this region right here, phone, complement, and computer. And so now we know that this set over here, so we know these values. So this value over here of P and C is the ones that share a phone and a computer. That is 10%. This is, so we can use this formula. So P, the probability of P or C is equal to the probability of P, which we know is 0.5, plus the probability of C, which we know is 0.3. And then minus the probability of both the phone and computer, which is 0.10, 0.1. And so this is 0.8, so this is 0.7. So the probability of using a phone or a computer to check your email is 70%. Now, this portion over here, if I take these two terms over here and add them together, and I add in a extra term plus probability of phone and computer, which we know to be 0.10, this would be 0.7. because that would be the entire thing. So P and not C is this region. P C and not P is this region, and then P and C is this region over here, so they have to be the entire union of P and C, which we found to be 0.7. So if I know that this happens to be 0.1, so if I subtract 0.1, we can conclude now from this that probability of P and C complement plus the probability of P complement and C is 0.7 minus 1, 0.1, which is 0.6, and that's our desired probability. Thank you very much.